Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty, helping you navigate the vast world of skincare and cosmetics. Today, we're reviewing the iredale Enlighten Concealer in shade Enlighten 1, a full coverage cream designed to tackle dark circles, hyperpigmentation, and bruising. Whether you're dealing with tired eyes or uneven skin tone, this product promises to brighten, revitalize, and hydrate your complexion. Let's find out if it truly delivers on these claims. Now, the iredale Enlighten Concealer is formulated for all skin types, and it promises a flawless, radiant finish. It's got that luxurious cream texture that glides on smoothly, aiming to offer high coverage without feeling heavy. The formula combines skincare benefits with its concealing power, meaning it doesn't just mask your skin's imperfections, it actively works to hydrate and refresh. That's a big claim in the concealer world, where some products can dry out the skin under your eyes. I've been testing this concealer for a couple of weeks now, and I'll tell you right away, it blends beautifully. The shade Enlighten 1 is light enough for my skin tone and adds an instant brightness under the eyes without being too stark or unnatural. The texture is creamy but not greasy, so it doesn't settle into fine lines, which is something I'm always mindful of with any under-eye product. The product's hydration factor is noticeable. It doesn't leave my skin feeling tight or dry, which is often the case with other concealers. During testing, I wore this concealer throughout a full day, from morning to evening, and it held up surprisingly well. Even with my busy schedule, meeting friends, running errands, and dealing with the occasional humidity, it didn't budge. It provided a flawless finish that stayed intact, even when I touched my face. A little goes a long way, so you don't need much to cover the under-eye area or to address any discoloration or redness around the nose and mouth. When it comes to the product's pros, the creamy texture is one of the highlights. It applies easily, and you don't need a brush to get a perfect finish. You can even use your fingers if you prefer. It hydrates the skin, which is a huge win, and the coverage is solid, hiding dark circles and redness without looking cakey. However, on the flip side, if you have very oily skin or prefer a matte finish, this might not be the best fit for you. While the product sets nicely, it does leave a dewy finish, which might not appeal to everyone. Is this concealer worth the price? Well, it's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum. For its premium ingredients, the brand's reputation, and its performance, I'd say it offers good value, but that depends on your budget. It's perfect for anyone who's looking for a more skincare-focused concealer, or if you need something that both brightens and hydrates without compromising on coverage. When comparing this to other high-end concealers, I'd say it holds its own. Some of its competitors might offer more matte finishes or more extensive shade ranges. But if you're after a hydrating concealer with a flawless, skin-like finish, iredale has definitely nailed it. This product might not be a perfect dupe for others out there, but it's unique in how it combines skincare and makeup benefits. The packaging is simple yet elegant, and the product feels like a treat to use every day. It's compact, which makes it easy to throw in your bag for touch-ups. And as far as longevity goes, a little goes a long way. So even though the price might feel steep, the product should last quite a while. Have you ever had an issue reaching out to customer service? In my case, I've never had a need to contact iredale's support team, but from what I've read, they have a solid reputation for responsive customer service and are known for their eco-friendly initiatives, which is something I always appreciate in a beauty brand. Now, if the price tag is a concern for you, there are some great alternatives that offer similar benefits. Some more budget-friendly concealers, like Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind or the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, give you solid coverage, though they don't quite pack the same skincare punch as the iredale option. If you're on a tighter budget, but still want reliable performance, those might be worth a look. In the end, iredale's Enlighten Concealer lives up to its claims of brightening and hydrating while providing a natural, radiant finish. It's ideal for those with dry skin or anyone looking for a skincare-infused concealer. If you're someone who values a dewy, fresh look, you'll appreciate how it makes your skin feel nourished throughout the day. Is this review helpful to you? If so, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried this concealer, drop a comment below. Let us know what your experience was like. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.